welcome to Mellow Bites. Today is an unboxing video and here let's unbox the Aibel Premium Multi-Purpose Kettle. This versatile kitchen gadget is perfect for preparing a variety of dishes from soups to stews and rice to pasta. As we open the box, it's shown as a 1.2 liter capacity kettle with a concealed heater, stainless steel body, as an automatic switch off with boil drive protection. This mini kettle is just perfect for bachelors, hostelers, as a travel kit to manage food and even for home cooks. I'll leave the link of this Aibel multi-purpose premium cooker in the description box. Do check this out. Let's dive into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Now let's cut open it. The first thing we see is the top rack of the kettle along with the base and the plug. Now here comes the lid of the kettle. It's a glass lid. Next we have the main unit, the kettle itself. It's securely packed. Inside we have the manual, warranty card. The manual is quite comprehensive with clear diagrams and easy to follow steps. It covers everything from setting up the device to cooking various dishes. And here's a neat addition, an egg holder. This accessory is perfect for steaming eggs. It can hold multiple eggs at once, allowing us to cook several eggs in one go. Let's take everything out one by one and have a very closer look. The kettle has a sleek modern design with a shiny stainless steel finish. It has a 1.2 liter capacity which is perfect for boiling water, making soups and cooking variety of dishes. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. The power cord is of a good length, giving us flexibility in where we can place. Here's everything laid out: the main kettle unit, 2 cooking pots, the egg holder and the user manual. It's a well thought out package designed to provide maximum versatility in the kitchen. The top rack comes with holes. These pots are made from high quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. They are stackable, making them easy to store when not in use. Now let's set it up and put it to the test by boiling some eggs. We fill the base with water up to the recommended level, ensuring enough steam is generated to cook the eggs evenly. Next, we carefully place our eggs into the holder, making sure they are securely positioned. There's no timer settings, but let's watch it out for 15 minutes and turn on the kettle. The stainless steel body not only looks great but also ensures efficient heating. Watch as the steam starts to form and our eggs begin to cook. The transparent lid allows us to keep an eye on the progress without opening the kettle. The steam circulates evenly, cooking the eggs perfectly. Beautifully steamed eggs cooked to perfection in just 15 minutes. Notice how evenly the eggs are cooked thanks to the efficient steaming process of the Aibel multi-purpose premium cooker. This kettle is not just boiling water but truly a multi-purpose cooker, making your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. I'll do post more simple recipes with this multi-purpose kettle. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this unboxing and demo, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.